Hey guys, so we're headed home for Christmas. So let's hop on this Nutsford and head to Ocho. See you there.
Time of the year now, you got people falling in love. Brings you good cheer now when that mistletoe is above. Can you Santa driving a sleigh? Or was it the Grinch and he got away? Kevin's alone, not acting afraid. Never get a white Christmas, but today snowflakes falling down. It's Christmas time, but you're not here right now to put up the lights. The candles on the mantle, they don't flicker like they used to with the snowflakes falling.
So I just made it to Ocho, and this is what we call Grand Market in Jamaica. It's Christmas Eve, so you know the vendors are out. They're selling clothes, gifts, food, all sorts of cool things. So we're just headed to the fish market now, and then we'll go home and you guys will see us baking and Alright guys, so now we're going to beat out the sugar and the butter mixture to make our Christmas cake. Make our Christmas cake. Alright, so second batch, yeah. So you start a little low and then you increase the speed. Carry the video and do it, but yeah, you get the picture. And you speed it up. Rice and peas. Oh, boy, traditional Jamaican. Alright, so when it's at this consistency, guys, you can stop beating. It's kind of light, you see? Yeah. So you don't have to beat it anymore after this point. Add your eggs one by one.
It's been a few years now, and this cold town's not quite the same. I wish you were here now, by the fire, stoking the flame. Can hear
My mother likes picking out little egg for the egg. You know, most bakers don't really care, but she's not most bakers, y'all.
Make it thick raw.
alone, not acting afraid. Waiting for a white Christmas, and today snowflakes fall.
You have good judgment.
So I put in some baking flour a while ago to the mixture that we were beating. Come, mommy.
No, but I put meat on.
You know day night, miss.
Try and make sure. Nothing
Come
mad,
with your
nothing
hands
mad.
and just tell me what you're doing.
Me not think of it.
Tell me what you're doing.
Me not think of it.
Tell me what you're doing.
Me not
Don't
think
put
of
your
it.
panic and say it.
Then me not take you off.
Come, what you putting in?
Salt. 1, 2.
Salt. You idea to know? Mommy, what is you putting in?
Baking powder.
No salt. Come, baking
How
powder.
much you put away? 3?
You have to go watch back the video.
So we just put all of these just to taste. We're not gonna mix.
Mommy, talk what you put in there.
Cinnamon powder.
Mm-hmm.
Mixed spice. for the flavor. And I normally put my vanilla now. Essence of vanilla. Guess all of that.
Just try all in there. And
Salt
she
is
just
come out
added the
perfect.
salt, guys.
Christmas and today, snowflakes falling down. It's Christmas time, but you're not here right now to put up the light.
Alright guys, so here you can see my mother has combined all the dry ingredients and now she's going to add some more wet ingredients. Here in this basket we have some fruits that has been soaking in wine and rum now for some months. So you have to blend these fruits like raisins and prunes and so on. Then you add them to the mixture and that's what you're seeing now. So she's going to mix this all up. Mix, 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 mix. And that's what makes it, you know, the fruit cake.
Good. I think you reach a texture already. Mix with it.
Mix well.
I'm going to put the brownie in there one time.
I'm putting the brown in.
I don't want it too dark. Alright, go on, French, and we'll add some more of it. What are you doing? Still what's it open right now?
No man, country road. No man, as we're in the country. No sir. My family, hello, hello.
Aye.
No sir. Going up St. Anna, guys. Look at the road.
A roller coaster.
Like my something would happen.
First present. Oh my god. Another present. The kids get all the presents. Oh. You like it? What?
Wow.
What?
Wow.
She's getting all these presents. What?
Have you she alone them?
What? Present.
What? You haven't done a say now.
Shade, what you say you want?
YouTube channel.
You want a YouTube channel? Alright, what you going to say on the YouTube channel? No, you can't be shy if you're going to do YouTube. Come.
Do it, say it.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Come, say it again. Come, say it good. Because you were ready. Come, tell me now, this is your channel.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
Alright, what you tell them when you finish? Don't forget.
This is my video.
Right there. Don't forget.
Come.
Give a big thumbs up for my channel.
Yeah. What? You got all the presents, girl. Well, let's see what you got.
My own makeup.
What? Oh my gosh.
My own
Wow. What did you get?
A makeup.
Makeup kit? Wow.
It's for kids.
What? A frozen present.
And the rose dyed side.
What?
New shoes.
Wow.
And I roll the dice and see what number I get. This is what I didn't want it. I have it on my
What? Let me see. Snake and ladders, giant game. What? You got a giant game.
I've been wanting this for a long time. Because I have it on my iPad. I have it on my tablet.
So what you must say to your mommy?
Thank you.
You never grow up.
I want me to do again.
Yeah, big ugly girl.
Where's nothing is in there?
That's not your present.
Me here, Safi Taya. These are from who? Okay, thank you. Yeah, by the same color like me already.
What?
Matte.
Oh, bathroom mat.
Alright, thank
You
you.
want one me? You want
The
me?
bathroom.
Oh, some
I like bright colors.
God. Shame, that's shame. Come on. Pick him up.
Brit like. Brit take them and come here. Brit like them and don't come.
Give it them then.
Don't get Brit.
They want me to give it.
Give Brit.
I better put them back.
No. What? Bath and Body Works.
Nothing is in
Okay.
here?
What and who?
Bath and Body Works.
Works.
Open it. Let's start to the front.
20%
What?
Oh, my mom.
Big money, big money.
Me,
Big money. Okay. 5,000.
Here you
You get a new share.
I know money.
Oh wait, oh yeah.
But
And
this, all of this is from me to her. Oh, thanks. I don't have anything more to give
I found the dice. I found the dice.
Oh, nice. Oh,
Make it
nice. Big game, girl. Snake, I thought it was like a little board game. No, man, it's big man.
Oh, I put the two PlayStation here.
It's for boys and girls.
Mm-hmm.
I got a lot of things.
Huh?
I got a lot of things.
Yeah, wow. You're so
Taya,
fortunate,
come.
Shardon. You're
Oh yeah, we have one more present, Taya.
soon come.
Come. Drinking tea.
Some dice.
And this one, I'm going to make this one.
Oh boy. I love the dice.
Thank you.
Where's my dice?
So what do I have for you?
I mean, I have no money. You know,
I'm taking it in there.
There you go.
Ah, girl, take the money, take it. Yeah, girl. You want to look at one down?
Eh?
Someone is going to put me in.
No, what's that to Philip Prime?
Wow, what is this for you?
Yeah, let's give it good.
Wow, you have to turn it around.
Dee, where?
Woo!
Yeah, girl.
And then this is from me. It's from my friend's company.
Thank you, Britonny. I hear something. I hear something.
Yeah, castor oil.
Oh, you know, I
Okay,
want it.
oh.
You know somebody want it.
You want it?
Yeah, we see it for Instagram. Cousin, yeah. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Go down on pig pen now. Go check how the pigs them are. The pigs them are doing. Check how the pigs are doing. So why? There's a little distance what we are carrying around there. Real country living. It's good. And you are lead way astray, girl. Wait. I'm trying to big pen. Oh.
More than what is small. Small but look at it.
Thank you, T.
And a big one of shirt with.
No, no.
Different man.
Small for door.
Somebody want two for buy, but then too small man.
Oh.
And small but
This one time I lost down in the bush. Well, deep down in the bush. About 7:30 one man find me and my cousin. Lost down here in the bush. Tell them we have how much money? Boy? Probably we were 8 and 9. And Toya was probably 4. So 8-year-old, 9-year-old, 4-year-old down here. So way down we go and lost. Yeah, about 7 o'clock somebody find me. Alright guys, so we're leaving country now. It was also fun morning, afternoon, but we're going back into Ocherios now, so see you there. Bye. Merry Christmas, Mom. I got you a little gift, a little something.
You want money there?
Money, we will see.
Oh, castor oil.
Yes, this is from Basic Hair Care Elements, my best friend's
Thank you, thank
company. Yes.
This should do good to my luck.
Yes. Oh, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Okay, period. Oh, okay. Wow, okay.
I don't have any gift wrapper here
Oh,
because of the business of my job. But they say good things come in small parcels.
you bought me
So
a
this is
gift,
a
Mom.
parcel. Yeah.
Oh my
Merry
God.
Christmas.
Thank you. Wow, okay, let me see what I got.
No, sir.
Good morning, guys. So it's the next day. It's Boxing Day in Jamaica, the day after Christmas. And I just wanted to close out this vlog because I realized I didn't get to close out the vlog yesterday. So I'm just having some breakfast. This is ackee, corn pork, banana dumpling, and sweet potato. And I'm also having some sorrel. Yes, and one of the cakes that we made yesterday in the muffin form, the fruit cake. So thank you guys for watching this vlog. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Bye guys, I hope you had a great Christmas, Merry Christmas, and Happy New Year when it comes. Bye.